So good morning students, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am going to show you how to calculate cash price in hire purchase system. Okay, so just see, I have taken one illustration from BBA book. Okay, illustration number 3. Okay, so how cash price is calculated. Okay, in the last classes I have shown you two statements showing calculation of interest, right? Okay, when the rate of interest is given, and another sum I have done when the rate of interest is not given. Okay, you can check out the videos. Okay, so I provide the links in the description box. Okay, so now you have to calculate the cash price of the asset. So cash price of the asset, you all know, it is the price of the asset which does not include any interest. Okay, hire purchase price means what? Down payment plus installments. Okay, installments will contain and a portion of the cost of goods, and interest. Okay, but cash price is free of any interest. Okay, so you have to calculate cash price in this sum. Okay, so that you have to do by applying the back calculation method. Okay, back calculation method. You see in the last class, where the rate of interest was given. Okay, how we have calculated the amount of interest to be charged in each year. Okay, we have written the first installment, right? Then we have added interest. Okay, then less second installment. Then again we have added interest. Okay, then again less third installment. Then again we have added interest. Yes or no? Okay, which the statement showing calculation of interest for each year. This is just the opposite. Okay, that's why it is called back calculation method. Okay, it is from bottom to top. Okay, bottom to top. The third installment was written at the bottom. Yes or no? So here the third installment will be written at the top. You just see third installment. You see here, sorry, I have not explained you the question. Nibir purchased a truck on hire purchase system. As per terms, he is required to pay rupees 70,000 down. Okay, so 70,000 is down payment. Then rupees 53,000 at the end of first year. So 53,000 is the amount of first installment. Then rupees 49,000 at the end of second year. So 49,000 is the amount of second installment. And rupees 55,000 at the end of third year. Okay, and rupees 55,000 at the end of third year, which includes interest at the rate 10% per annum. Calculate the cash price and the interest paid with each installment. Okay, so you have to take out the cash price, and the interest included in each installment. There are 3 installments. Okay, you have to take out the interest which is included in each installment. So what is the you see here the statement showing calculation of cash price, and the value of interest is also taken out. You see here third installment. Okay, what is the amount of third installment? It is from bottom to top. Okay, you see the calculation of interest. Okay, the statement showing calculation of interest. First installment, then add interest, then less second installment, then again add interest, then less third installment, again add interest. This is how we have done. So here, third installment will be written at the top. Okay, so it says that from bottom to top, it is back calculation method. Okay, so third installment, what is the amount you see here? It is 55,000. Okay, so we have to write 55,000. Now less interest included. Okay, it is 10% per annum interest. Okay, now you have to take out the interest included, okay, in the installment value. Okay, so you just see the working. Here, interest included in each installment is calculated as under. So suppose the cash price be rupees 100. Okay, so if the cash price is rupees 100, okay, and if you add interest, okay, it's 10% per annum. So if you add interest of rupees 10, okay, what is the installment? Okay, it is 110. Okay, so what is the interest included? Okay, in the installment value, it is 10 out of 110. Okay, 10 out of 110. Okay, or you can say, okay, that when the installment value, okay, when installment is 110, what is the interest? It is 10. Okay, it is 10. So when installment value is rupees 55,000, okay, 55,000, okay, then what will be the interest value? So you see 55,000 into 10 divided by 110. Okay, it is 55,000 into 10 divided by 110. Yes or no? So that will be the value of installment. If you solve out this calculation, okay, you will get the figure of value of interest. So that is done. Interest included 55,000 into 10 divided by 110. Okay, so the figure is 5,000. So 5,000 if you deduct, because you have to take out the cash price, yes or no? And in cash price there is no interest. So we have to deduct interest included. So it is 50,000. Then you see, you have to add up second installment. What is the amount of second installment given? It is 49,000. So you have to add up that. So you get 99,000. Okay. Then again you have to deduct interest. So it's on 99,000 into 10 divided by 100 is 9,000. So 90,000 is the figure. Okay, then again you have to add first installment. First installment is 53,000. You see here 53,000. So you just take that 53,000, okay, you add up, you get a figure. Okay, on this figure you have to take out the interest, which is 10 divided by 110. So 13,000 is the amount of interest. Okay, so you take out the total, okay, sorry, you take out the balance, okay, and with this balance you have to add up the amount of down payment. Okay, 70,000 is the amount of down payment. So that you have to add up. Okay, so how much you get? 2 lakh. Okay, so 2 lakh is the cash price of the asset, that is the truck. Okay, now here you see the interest values. What is the interest value for the third installment? It is 5,000. So from 55,000, if you deduct 5,000, you will get 50,000. Then second installment, what is the interest value? It is 9,000. So from 49,000, if you deduct 9,000, you will get 40,000. Okay, then for the first year, okay, the first installment, the case of first year, what is the amount of interest? Is 13,000. So if you deduct, okay, from the value of first installment, okay, you will get 40,000. Okay, so then you add up the value of down payment, okay, 2 lakh. So capital value, okay, and this calculation must be equal. Okay, here also by deducting the interest figures, okay, value of interest, okay, in each year, okay, and adding the installments, okay, we will get the cash price, okay, that is 2 lakh. Okay, which is, and the capital value will be same, that is 2 lakh. Okay, the amount of interest, okay, charged in each year, okay, there were 3 installments, so amount of interest charged in each year is 27,000. Okay, so you just put down, Okay, just write cash price equals to rupees 2 lakh. Okay, so got it? What is asked in the question? The cash price and the interest paid with each installment. So this is the interest paid, okay, with each installment. This is the total, okay, and this is the cash price. Okay, whatever is asked in the question you have to do. Okay, you have to do, don't do in excess. Okay, cash price is asked and interest paid, okay, with each installment, so that only you have to take out. Okay, you just see the sum once. This is back calculation method. Okay, why back calculation method? Statement showing calculation of interest, okay, just the opposite of that. Okay, that from, okay, that was top to bottom, okay, and this one is bottom to top. Okay, that in that case, in statement showing calculation of interest, okay, we write the last installment, okay, at the end. But here statement showing calculation of cash price, the last installment we write at the top. That's why it is called by applying back calculation method. Okay, and this I have done only just to explain you. Okay, just don't write in your exam copies. Okay, so I hope this sum is clear to you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, I shall be continuing with hire purchase sums. Okay, and I will also give you the features, advantages and disadvantages of hire purchase. Okay, and then this one, rights of hire vendor, okay, obligations, okay, I will discuss. Okay, so thank you for today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel so that I get motivated to do more videos. Thank you.